My name is Dr. Casual Pitts, and I'm the founder of Ultimate Discount Services Incorporated. And today's service that we're going to talk about is the free credit repair program. So by having this membership, you'll receive free credit repair. To activate this service, you will be instructed via membership consultation, via email and text message, how to set up your account. Make sure that you follow the instructions and understand we are not a credit repair company. However, we are going to do our best and work the platform to make sure that we get your credit where it needs to be. So we do not make any outlandish promises. Understand that credit repair does take time. This is not a quick fix, right? And it's free, right? So you're taking advantage of a free service just because you are a member. So for more information, please email us at udsinc@udsinc.us or give us a call or shoot us a text at 321-283-5800. Thank you.